What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, do you need the inspiration to change your selfie picture? And what if we can try to change this selfie into the old money style? Yes guys, in this video I'd like to share you how to change this selfie picture from the office background into the old money scene. And as you can see that this man wearing the super elegant outfit, and also he's kind of touching or want to drive the or ride this horse, and the expression is totally changed from the casual into the elegant. How to create this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, if you think that to create that transformation, so you need to change everything like the outfit and also having the horse. Well, actually, you can make it simple by using this Nano Banana, guys. You don't have to create it into the or make it into the reality. However, you can use this AI to help you to create that transformation. And here I'm using the Google AI Studio to get the access trying this Nano Banana, and don't worry because this is 100% for free. However, if you have the another AI platform that is your favorite and you can do the photo transformation with it, and don't worry because we will also share you the prompt to create that transformation photo. And this is the home page, and you can start to click this try Nano Banana. And the next step is I would like to upload the picture from my device or the gallery. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section. And basically the prompt gonna be like this. Change this selfie photo into the ultra realistic outdoor cinematic portrait of an elegant man standing beside a dark brown horse in front of the luxurious countryside stable, and also under warm golden hour light. And after that, the man calmly holds the horse head close to his face and posing naturally. And he's also wearing the elegant beige equestrian blazer, this one, and also white shirt and dark trousers, and also the leather to riding the gloves. I'm sorry, leather riding gloves, this one. And also he wears the black sunglasses with a cinematic realistic reflection. And also the horse is dark brown with a glossy coat texture and also elegant golden accent bridle. And also use the soft golden hour lighting for the overall look with the smooth shadows, luxury and cinematic ambience, close-up forming at eye level, and also premium editorial styling and shallow depth on field, and also to create a warm, elegant, exclusive mood. So you can start to give this prompt a screenshot, or you can simply copy it from the description box. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before. However, you can also have a chance to get the different look, maybe about the angle or maybe the expression and also the position when you hold this horse like this. The background is slightly different but still in the one theme. Which one do you prefer? And to get the different picture, so you can click this rerun this turn in this section or this section. And after that, you can simply download this picture if you like it. And it will be ready to be your profile picture inspiration. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.